So we're gonna go in and pair your tablet to your pyrometer. Once you get to your home screen, swipe down and select the settings, which is in the top right corner. You're gonna go in and click on connected devices. Once you're here, you will click on pair new device. Once you click on pair new device, on your pyrometer, you're gonna press and hold the read button. The light's gonna turn from green to red. Once it does that, press and release the read button and wait for the dialog box to pop up on your tablet. Don't go in when you see Longacre and pair that. Wait for it to pop up and ask you to pair. It's very important. Once you see the dialog box pop up, click on pair. Now you can go in and open up your app on the tablet. Once it opens up, you're gonna swipe left and you're gonna need to input your system secret code. Where you'll find that code is on your pyrometer. There'll be a label that says PAN ID, and it'll have the 4-digit number there with numbers and letters, and that is your ID. So click on change on your tablet and enter that code. Once you enter it, you can swipe back right and you'll start seeing data on your tablet. For more information on this product or any other Longacre Racing product, visit us at longacreracing.com.